Tired of sifting through endless rows of data in your Wati CSV just to find the right phone numbers? Let's dive straight into a super simple method to filter numbers in your Wati CSV file in just a few easy steps. First, open your Wati CSV file using your preferred spreadsheet program. This could be Google Sheets, Microsoft Excel, or any similar software. Next, identify the column that contains the phone numbers you want to filter. Click on the column letter at the top to select the entire column. Now, navigate to the filter options within your program. Usually, you'll find this under the Data tab or a similar menu. Look for options like Create a Filter, Filter View, or simply Filter. Click on it to activate the filter for your selected column. A small filter icon should now appear in the header of your phone number column. Click on this icon. A drop-down menu will appear with various filtering options. Depending on what you want to filter, you can either manually select the specific numbers or use filter conditions. For example, you can use the begins with filter to find all numbers starting with a particular country code, or use contains to filter numbers that have a specific number in it. Once you've set your filter criteria, click OK or Apply. Your spreadsheet will now display only the phone numbers that match your chosen criteria. And that's it. Use these filtered numbers to send targeted Wati campaigns.